mathematics today our topic is sets, and in sets I am discussing universal set. What is universal set? A set which is such that all the sets under consideration are its subset. A set which is such that all the sets under consideration are its subset, or we can say that a set that contains all the sets in a given context is called the universal set. It is denoted by capital letter U. For example, if we take set A of the elements 1, 2, 3, set B of the element 2, 4, 5, 6, and C is the set of element 1, 3, 5, 7, then the universal set can be taken as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next example is in two-dimensional coordinate geometry, the set of all points in xy plane is the universal set. The third example is the students of class 11th in your school is the universal set for the student of the class 11th A, 11th B, 11th C, because 11th A is the subset of the students of class whole 11. Similarly, 11th B is the subset of students of class 11. Now I am discussing power set. Let A is a subset, then the collection of all the subsets of the set A is called the power set of A and is denoted by P bracket A and read as power set A. अगर A आपके पास कोई सेट है और उस सेट के सभी सबसेट्स का कलेक्शन बनाया जाए, उसकी एक फैमिली बनाया जाए, तो उस फैमिली को या उस कलेक्शन को जो कि एक सेट के फॉर्म में बनेगा उसको पावर सेट कहते हैं. P ब्रैकेट A से डिनोट किया जाता है. As we have already discussed that in the topic subsets, empty set is the subset of every set and every set is the subset of itself. तो जब हम पावर सेट या सबसेट्स बनाएंगे, जब हम सबसेट्स बनाएंगे तो ये दोनों सबसेट्स में ऐड किए जाएंगे, empty set and set A itself. For example, let A is the set 1, 2. इस सेट के हमको सबसेट्स और पावर सेट बनाने हैं. As we have already told you that every finite set having n elements, the total subsets will be 2 to the power n. Here the element of the set A is 2, so 2 to the power 2, that is 4 subsets, and these 4 subsets will be 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, and power set of this set A will be 1, 2, 5, 1, 2. Now we have taken another question. Let A is the set 1, 2, 3 having element 1, 2, 3. Write its all the subsets and its power set A. As we know that every finite set having n elements having 2 to the power n subsets and its power set A also having 2 to the power n elements. Since this set having 3 elements, so its total subsets will be 2 to the power 3, that is 8 subsets. This set A will have 2 to the power 3 subsets, or we can say that 8 subsets. What will be its subset? Its subsets will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. These are the subsets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and its power set will be curly bracket 1 2 3 1 2 2 3 1 3 1 2 3 5. Now I have taken another question. The set A having element A curly bracket B, write its all the subsets and power set A. Here if we see that this set A having two elements, so the total subsets of this set will be 2 to the power 2, that is 4 subsets. इस सेट में दो एलिमेंट हैं A और कर्ली ब्रैकेट B, तो इसके टोटल सबसेट्स बनेंगे 2 to the power 2, that is 4. तो पहले हम सबसेट्स बना रहे हैं कर्ली ब्रैकेट A, अब यहाँ कर्ली ब्रैकेट B एज ए एलिमेंट है, तो इसका सबसेट ये बनेगा and 5. 1 2 3 4, these are the 4 subsets and its power set will be this is the power set A.